What's up, babes and baby dolls, and welcome back to my channel. Ladies, if you're new here, welcome. Ladies, if you already been here, you already know we back with another wig. And in today's video, I will be installing this short water wave wig from UNiceHair. This is a 4x4 lace closure wig. And this is me unboxing the unit. I love the fact that they did send me some nice little goodies. Yes, I was wondering like, what is this? And when I opened it, it was a cute pen. Y'all, look at this. This is so cute. And of course it came with 2 wig caps and a hairpin that says UNiceHair. So here I just wanted to get in and show you all the curl pattern straight out of the box. This is the lace, the hairline. And again, it is a 4x4 lace closure unit. You get a strap in case you want to do glueless, and it has adjustable combs to secure the wig. Now I am going to go in and bleach the knots. These are the products that I will be using. I did use 40 volume developer and this L'Oreal Quick Blue bleaching powder. Again, wear gloves. I didn't wear no gloves. I was just like, yeah, whatever. But I'm going to eyeball and mix my developer with my bleaching powder and basically just mix it until I get a really thick paste, because you don't want the bleach to bleed through and over bleach the hair. You want it to only bleach the knots. So here I am placing it right on that lace on the inside and applying just a little pressure for it to push through, but not too much, right? So yeah. So once I'm done applying that bleach, I let it sit for about 25 minutes and I did rinse it out. But here's the thing, I'm not sure why it wasn't really taking that bleach. So I did have to go back in a second time and let it sit a little bit longer. Maybe I took it off a little too early. But here is when I realized that the bleach did not bleach those knots how I wanted it to. So I went on and put some conditioner, just rinse it out, and I did go back in a second time to re-bleach those knots. So here I am trying on the wig just to see if I like how the knots are bleached, and I do like it. I don't like my knots too light, so that is perfect. So now I'm going to do my cap. I'm going to use this Ib.Janel holding spray and spray it all over the cap in the front of the hairline where I want the cap to stay. Now I'm going to go in with a foundation shade and basically just blend it out to make sure everything is seamless. Now I'm just trying the unit back on after I did that foundation just to see if it's nice and perfect, and it is. I did go back in and add some to the lace. And now I'm just cutting off the extra cap according to the hairline, how far back I want it. I'm just taking whatever left on my brush and making sure the edges are nice and blended from when I cut the extra cap off. And this is perfect. I'm laying it flat, and I'm going to take the Ib.Janel holding spray and spray it directly on the hairline. And then I'm going to take my blow dryer and blow dry it so that it stays in place. And as you can see, I'm still holding that lace down as I'm blow drying. Ib spray is going to make the edges kind of hard, but I am going to go back in and comb it out so that it doesn't be, you know, stiff. We're going to comb all that out. So make sure it's dry and secure in place where you want it to be. Just taking my blow dryer and making sure everything is nice and dry. And as I'm blow drying the front, I am taking my edge brush and just combing out the hair so that it won't be stuck and hard. Now I'm going to begin cutting off the lace. I cut down the middle and I cut off the hairline in zigzag motions. I'm taking some alcohol and a napkin and basically just wiping any extra spray that may have ran down my forehead. And I'm going to take the Ib spray again and just respray the edges of the lace down that came up when I cut my lace. Now I'm going to carve out where I want my baby hairs to be, and I'm going to do my middle part, make sure it's nice and straight. It was kind of giving me a hard time getting it straight, but we got it, girl. And as you can see, middle part straight. So I take my clamp and secure that side so that I don't mess up my part. And I'm going to comb out my baby hairs and get ready for the hot comb. So once I have my sections parted off, I'm going to take my hot comb and just make sure everything is nice and flat and going in the direction that I want the hair to lay. And a hot comb really helps with laying the wigs flat. I just feel like if you don't use a hot comb, the wigs are going to look super bulky and big on your head. So use a hot comb to make it flat. It really gets the job done. So here I'm just laying my baby hairs and kind of tucking it under the wig. And as I cut going down in an angle motion away from my face. Once I have everything laid, I go back in another time with that Ib spray and make sure everything is nice and secured. Okay, it looks good. And now I'm going to go back in and re-wet the hair just to kind of shape out my curls and define my curls with some water. And inside this water bottle, I have a little bit of conditioner and water mixed together. Not too much conditioner, but just a little tad of conditioner and some water just to give it some moisture. And now I'm going to go in with my Garnier Fructis curl sculpt gel, and I'm going to get this all through the hair and define those curls. And as you can see, as I'm finger combing the hair, I'm going to go back in and scrunch the hair with my hands because you want the curls to be really, really bouncy. You don't want it to be flat. Now I'm going to take my blow dryer and continue scrunching the hair as I blow dry. And I absolutely love this unit, y'all. This is the hair once it is dry. Look at those curls. That is what I was talking about. It gives it a nice amount of body when you use that Garnier Fructis curl sculpt. And this is the finished look of this UNice hair, y'all. Look at this. It is so pretty. Perfect for the spring. and summer. I will leave the link in the description box. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in my next video, babes and baby dolls. Mwah.